Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set playtime restrictions on your PlayStation 5 Pro or PS5. So this is very easy. On the home screen here, let's go up to the top, go to Settings, and then select this and go on down. And we're looking for Family and Parental Controls. Now you're going to have to sign in with your phone. So take a picture of the QR code on the screen, and it should open up a web link to sign in with the PlayStation app on your phone. Then once you do that, you have access to this page where we can go to PlayStation 5 console restrictions. And the default password is 0000 unless you go ahead and change it. So I'm going to just type this in. And then at the top here, we have parental controls for new users, user creation, and guest login. So you can completely disable that. And then you can change your console restriction password down there. So we can go back now, and we can go to Family Management, where we can add people to our account right here. So we can go to Add Family Member, and that's how I got these two accounts down here. So we can back out now, and then we can go to one of the accounts. So let's go to one of my children's accounts and select this. And at the top, we have the playtime settings. It says don't restrict. So we can turn this on, and then we can decide how long to allow them to play. So I think at least 1 hour a day would be good, maybe an hour and 45 minutes each night. And then we can modify it based off of days of the week. So maybe an hour Monday through Friday, and then maybe 3 hours on Saturday and Sunday. So we can customize it each day, which is really nice. And then go to OK, and then we got the start time too. We can decide maybe we want to have our children to play exactly at 7 to 9 p.m. every night. We can decide a start time and an end time right here. So it's very convenient. And then we can go to save. Then we can do also a lot of different things in terms of restricting the type of games and the allowed games and the services and apps. So maybe you don't want them to watch Netflix or maybe YouTube on this at all, or you can do it by specific ratings. So look at the time zone as well, so you have the correct time zone on here. But very easy to go ahead and do that, and do this for both of the accounts, or maybe all the accounts we got on here. So this one's going to have a different playtime here, so let's type in my code and then go to it, and this one says not restricted at all. So just look at it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.